Tock Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Tock, a premium booking platform designed for restaurants, wineries, and unique food and beverage experiences. If you're interested in trying it out, links to Tock are in the description below. Tock is built for businesses that manage reservations, experiences, and events. It allows you to streamline your booking process while offering flexibility in pricing, timing, and customer engagement. Whether you're a fine dining restaurant, a winery offering tastings, or a business hosting private events, Tock has tailored features that meet your needs. One of the standout features of Tock is its advanced reservation system. You can create custom booking experiences with variable pricing based on day, time, or demand. This helps optimize capacity and increase revenue, particularly during peak times. It also allows for multiple seating configurations, group bookings, and advanced reservation options, giving customers a seamless and flexible booking experience. Tock also offers powerful tools for managing events and experiences, which is great for businesses that run wine tastings, cooking classes, or private events. The platform supports ticketing, event promotion, and real-time availability management, allowing businesses to scale their offerings and keep everything organized. In addition, Tock provides contactless check-in and payment options, streamlining the guest experience. For restaurants, Tock's integration with point-of-sale POS systems allows seamless data flow, improving operational efficiency. The platform also features a robust customer management system, letting businesses track guest preferences, loyalty, and feedback to enhance customer relationships and marketing efforts. In terms of payments, Tock supports deposits, full payments, and prepaid reservations, offering businesses complete control over their financial processes. You can also set up dynamic pricing based on demand, improving profitability. Tock is an excellent choice for restaurants and food-related businesses that want a comprehensive, flexible booking solution. With its powerful reservation tools, event management features, and customer insights, Tock provides everything needed to optimize your bookings and enhance your business's operations. Check out the links to Tock in the description, and thanks for watching.